Hi, it's me, Dulce. Guess what? I'm here to invite you to our next Living Trust workshop. What is a living trust? That's the number one question I normally get. What this is how to protect your home, God forbid, in case of, number one, if you're the only person on title. Number two, if you have small kids and something happens to you, what happens to this home? What happens to your children? What if you're paralyzed, hospitalized? What happens then? Those are the ultimate questions. Now, a living trust does overpower a will. So even if you're saying, well, I have a will can still be contested and judges can make decisions on that will. So a living trust really gives you that power. This workshop is going to be on a Sunday, August 13th. Registration starts at 8:30 a.m. and we will start promptly at 9 a.m. It is only a 1-hour workshop with a lot of great information, a lot of questions that you can ask at that point in case they're not already covered. And one more thing, they did change the law this year, which is 2023, for my primary residents, my older fans, that you can also use Medi-Cal, Medicare, and still own your home. So again, a lot of great info. The registration link is below. Hope to see you there, and feel free to invite whoever you want. This is free and great information. Again, August 13th, hope to see you there.